Today, the focus of my presentation is factors affecting teaching related to the teacher, learner, support material, instructional facilities, learning environment and institution. Dear viewer, please watch the entire video. At the end of the video, there are MCQs based on the presentation. Dear viewers, let us try to understand the factors affecting teaching. Teaching is a complex and dynamic process influenced by a multitude of factors. These factors can be categorized into several key domains, each of which plays a significant role in shaping the teaching and learning experience. Here, we delve into the factors related to the teacher, learner, support material, instructional facilities, learning environment, and institution. Firstly, I will make you understand the teacher-related factors affecting teaching. 1. Teaching skills. The teacher's pedagogical skills, including instructional methods, classroom management, and communication, profoundly affect teaching effectiveness. Effective teachers employ a range of strategies to engage students, clarify concepts, and foster a positive learning atmosphere. 2. Subject knowledge. In-depth knowledge of the subject matter is crucial for effective teaching. Teachers with a deep understanding of their subject can provide comprehensive explanations, answer questions, and inspire curiosity in students. 3. Teaching experience. Experience brings insights and refinements to teaching practices. Experienced teachers often possess a wealth of strategies for addressing diverse learner needs and challenges effectively. 4. Motivation. The teacher's enthusiasm for the subject and teaching can have a contagious effect on students. A motivated teacher can inspire and engage learners, fostering a passion for learning. Now let me discuss learner-related factors affecting teaching. 1. Prior knowledge. Learners enter the classroom with varying levels of prior knowledge and experiences. Understanding their baseline knowledge is critical for tailoring instruction to their needs. 2. Learning styles. Learners have distinct learning preferences and styles. Some may excel in visual learning, while others prefer hands-on experiences. Effective teaching accommodates these differences through varied instructional approaches. 3. Motivation and engagement. Learner motivation plays a significant role in the learning process. Intrinsically motivated learners are more likely to actively participate, ask questions, and pursue deeper understanding. 4. Cultural background. Cultural factors influence learners' expectations, communication styles, and learning preferences. Culturally responsive teaching recognizes and respects these differences, creating an inclusive learning environment. Support material-related factors affecting teaching. 1. Textbooks and resources. The quality, relevance, and availability of textbooks and supplementary materials impact the depth and breadth of learning. Up-to-date, well-structured resources are essential for comprehensive education. 2. Technology. Access to technology, digital resources, and e-learning platforms can enhance teaching and learning experiences. Technology can provide additional avenues for exploration and engagement. Instructional facilities-related factors affecting teaching. 1. Classroom environment. The physical layout, comfort, and resources within the classroom significantly affect the learning experience. A well-organized, comfortable, and well-equipped classroom can promote active participation and focused learning. 2. Infrastructure. Adequate infrastructure, including laboratories, libraries, computer facilities, and specialized equipment, supports hands-on learning, experimentation, and research. Learning environment-related factors affecting teaching. 1. Peer interaction. Interactions with peers foster collaborative learning, allowing students to share ideas, perspectives, and insights. Group activities and discussions promote social learning. 2. Support services. Access to counseling, academic support, and special education services can address learners' diverse needs, ensuring that every student has an equitable chance to succeed. Institution-related factors affecting teaching. 1. Curriculum design. The institution's curriculum design, including its alignment with educational goals, standards, and real-world relevance, shapes the teaching and learning experience. A well-structured curriculum provides a framework for effective instruction. 2. Administrative support. Administrative policies, support for teachers, and effective leadership contribute to a conducive teaching environment. Adequate resources, professional development opportunities, and efficient administrative processes are essential. 3. Community and parental involvement. Engagement with the broader community and parental support can enrich the learning experience. Collaboration between schools, families, and the community can provide additional resources and opportunities for students. Dear viewer, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. Question 1 is, what is the role of teacher-related factors in teaching? A. Primarily affect learner motivation. B. Impact teaching quality and instructional methods. C. Have no significant influence on teaching effectiveness. D. Determine curriculum design. Correct answer is B. Impact teaching quality and instructional methods. Question 2 is, how can prior knowledge impact the learning process? A. It has no effect on learning outcomes. B. It influences readiness to learn and understanding of new material. C. It reduces motivation to learn. D. It determines a learner's learning style. Correct answer is B. It influences readiness to learn and understanding of new material. Question 3 is, which instructional facilities related factor supports hands-on learning and research? A. Textbooks and resources. B. Classroom environment. C. Infrastructure. D. Support services. Correct answer is C. Infrastructure. Question 4 is, what contributes to a conducive learning environment? A. Administrative support. B. Prior knowledge of learners. C. Teachers' teaching skills. D. Cultural background. Correct answer is A. Administrative support. Question 5 is, how does community involvement impact teaching and learning? A. It has no effect on educational outcomes. B. It fosters a sense of belonging among learners. C. It determines the content of textbooks. D. It influences teacher motivation. Correct answer is B. It fosters a sense of belonging among learners. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shouking Bilal.